Hey everyone, it's me, Maximus, and today I am playing Roblox for my first time on my YouTube channel Maximus. So, I'm playing Cursed Island now, and I'm in the waiting room for now, because then I will join the round. What is this? Oh, so this first place? Wow, I'm third place. I'm first place. Oh, move! You giant. Ah, there's me. Look at me. I'm the king. Eee. I am the king here. Nobody is. There's second place. That is a little shorter than the third one. Okay. So we're here. Oi! From where did you come from? Why are you dancing? Why are you dancing? You don't look cool. I'm on her lap now. Hello. Oh, maybe jump for the. What are? What is that? What are those? Is that a pineapple? Hmm? Is that a pineapple? No. How did? Why did you get it? No. Why did you get it? You cheeky little girl. Why did you get it? Uh, 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 uh. I'm here. Okay, so let's go and explore it a little more here. Let's see what there is. Hello? Hello? Hello, people. It's me. Don't be scared of me. Oh, I thought. Oh, that makes sense because there is a hole in the middle in case someone falls in this cheeky trap of the developers thing, and I fell. This game is so cheeky. Oh, we got 2 coins out of it. So at least you get something from it. Is it healthy? Hmm? You don't know. No! This is so hard. Let's see what's here. There's a spaceship. How much does it cost? I would like to buy one. Buy one for 35 Robux. Boom! That's a lot. Believe me. Buy one sword for 15 Robux. Very not decent. Buy 10 parachutes for 45 Robux. Buy 3 jump boots for 150. Okay, I agree. Buy speed boots 1 for 50. And buy 8 gravity boots for 45 Robux. So, how much does one cost? Hmm? Okay, it's ready. Let's start. Yay! Let's start. Come on. Hello. There's the intermission. How dumb am I? Okay, we're starting. Okay, let's start. Woo, waking up on a decent island in the corner. I'm going with someone. Don't die in the first round, I think. There are already 3 dead. 3 dead. 4 dead, 5 dead. And there's jail where if I left, there was jail and nothing would just touch me. Ice. I don't need ice. I'll just stay here. Now why is everyone on ice? I'm staying on ice too. Nobody tries to dare push me. Why do you need to push me? Come on, game. Oh. Are we on the top of the toppy tippies? What is here? May we discover? No, we may not. No, we may not. Whoa, this is so nice. This is so nice. In And why do we spawn actually up here and not somewhere else? Let me see the view. That's good. That's good. And I'm kind of a noob in this game. And I have no Robux, so that I'm in the newbie suit. Because I have no Robux, but I'm trying to get, okay? Don't judge me. Hello, this my place out. Okay, alright, get out. Okay, I don't need to write actually. She just left. Nice. Get out. Jump. Jump. It's like I'm just pushing them right to jump, but I'm actually not pushing them. No, this is my spot. Nobody touches it. Except me. Look, I'm on the edge of the edgy little edge of the mountain. Yay! Imagine this. You are in like a survival mode and you are up there. And you just yeet yourself down there. That would be so funny and so dumb. We didn't even do one normal round. Come on. Hello. Hello. Boom. You know what? I'll end this video here. We had enough. If you like this video, then remember to smash that like button. Because if this video hits 10 likes, I'll do a part 2 of Cursed Island. And make sure you subscribe. If your subscribe button is still red, then press it. Make sure to press it. It helps me a lot. And then I'll see you in the next video. Bye.